This 2022 Keystone Sprinter Limited 3590 LFT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, oven, smoke detector, leveling jacks, external shower, stovetop burner, TV, slide out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Sprinter Limited 3590 LFT is 11,616 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.